Here I have LG X Mach, and let me show you how to capture a screenshot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let me find and select the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it would be a calendar. And let's just simply assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I have to do is use the following combination of keys, the volume down and power key. You have to hold down together these two keys for about 2 seconds. Let me show you. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Let's hold down together volume down and power key simultaneously for about 2 seconds. And you just capture another screenshot. Now if you would like to share, edit or delete taken screenshots, you can use an upper bar and open the screenshot captured right here. Or you can go to the home screen, find and select the gallery, it's that icon right here. And under albums, let's choose screenshots. Now you can choose your screenshot and share, edit or delete taken screenshot. So that's it, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.